online without spending a single penny upfront. Sounds like a dream, right? Stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it. These methods are real, tested, and proven to work. So let's jump in and unlock your online earning potential. Welcome, your go-to channel for all things about making money online. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications. Trust me, you don't want to miss these golden tips that could change your financial future. In today's video, we'll explore how you can earn money online without investing a dime. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone looking to build a side hustle, this is for you. 1. Freelancing. Turning skills into income. Freelancing is one of the best ways to earn online. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer let you offer services such as writing, graphic design, and video editing. How to start. Create a free profile and showcase your skills. Add samples of your work to attract clients. Tips. Start with small projects to build a portfolio and gain reviews. Potential earnings. New freelancers can earn $5 to $50 per project, and experienced ones can charge hundreds. Why it works. Freelancing is flexible. You control your time, rates, and workload. Plus, it's easy to scale once you establish yourself. 2. Taking online surveys. Online surveys are an easy way to earn money in your free time. Companies like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Taluna pay for your opinions. How to start. Sign up for free on survey websites and complete your profile. Choose platforms with high payouts and read reviews to avoid scams. Potential earnings. Earn $1 to $10 per survey. It's not a full-time income, but it adds up over time. Why it works. Surveys are simple. You can do them from your phone while watching TV or waiting in line. 3. Selling your knowledge. Do you have a skill, hobby, or expertise? Turn it into an income stream by creating online courses or tutorials. How to start. Use platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or even YouTube. Record tutorials or write ebooks using free tools. Tips. Focus on niche topics that people search for but have little competition. Potential earnings. Top creators earn hundreds or thousands monthly, depending on their audience size. Why it works. People are always looking to learn new skills. If you solve their problems, they'll pay for your expertise. 4. Content creation. If you enjoy creating videos, writing blogs, or posting on social media, this one's for you. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Medium let you monetize your content. How to start. Pick a platform that suits you. Create content consistently and engage with your audience. Tips. Focus on quality over quantity. Build trust with your followers. Potential earnings. Ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing can bring in significant income. Why it works. Content creation builds a personal brand. Over time, it becomes a passive income source as your content keeps generating revenue. 5. Affiliate marketing. Earn by promoting products you love. Every sale made through your referral link earns you a commission. How to start. Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Tips. Promote products related to your niche for better conversions. Potential earnings. Commissions vary from 5% to 50% depending on the program. Why it works. You don't need to create your own product. Just recommend what you already use and trust. 6. Becoming a virtual assistant. Businesses need help with tasks like email management, scheduling, and customer service. That's where virtual assistants come in. How to start. Sign up on platforms like remote.co and highlight your skills. Tips. Offer competitive rates initially to attract clients. Potential earnings. $15 to $50 per hour depending on experience. Why it works. Virtual assistance is in high demand, especially with the rise of remote work. 7. Online tutoring. If you're good at subjects like math, science, or languages, online tutoring is a great option. How to start. Platforms like Chegg and Preply connect you with students. Tips. Start with competitive rates to build reviews, then increase them. Potential earnings. $10 to $30 per hour or more. Why it works. Education is evergreen. People are always willing to pay for quality tutoring. 8. Print on demand. Sell custom-designed products without holding inventory. Platforms like Teespring and Redbubble handle the printing and shipping. How to start. Create designs using free tools like Canva and upload them. Tips. Focus on trending niches for better sales. Potential earnings. Profits depend on your design's popularity. Why? It works. It's low risk and requires no upfront investment. You earn for every product sold. 9. Website and app testing companies pay users to test their websites and apps for usability. This helps them improve. How to start? Sign up on platforms like user testing and complete sample tests. Tips: be detailed in your feedback to receive more assignments. Potential earnings $10 to $20 per test, usually taking 20 minutes. Why it works? It's simple, quick, and pays well for the time invested. 10. Social media management. Help businesses grow their online presence by managing their social media accounts. How to start? Showcase your skills by managing your own accounts professionally. Tips: offer free trials to small businesses to build a portfolio. Potential earnings: $15 to $100 per hour. Why it works? Every business wants to be visible online, creating endless opportunities. 11. Start a dropshipping store. Dropshipping lets you sell products without holding inventory. All you need is a free platform like Shopify or WooCommerce. How to start? Partner with suppliers and list their products on your online store. Tips: focus on trending and high-demand products for better sales. Potential earnings: your earnings depend on your marketing skills and sales volume. Why it works? It's a low-risk way to test the waters of e-commerce without major upfront costs. 12. Participate in online contests and giveaways. Many brands run contests where you can win cash or valuable prizes by participating in simple tasks. How to start? Follow brands on social media and look for active contests. Tips: be consistent and participate regularly to increase your chances. Potential earnings: earnings vary, but you can win anything from cash to gadgets. Why it works? It's fun and requires no financial commitment. Plus, some contests offer substantial rewards. 13. Monetize your photography skills. If you love photography, sell your photos online. Platforms like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock let you upload and earn every time someone downloads your work. How to start? Use your smartphone or camera to capture high-quality images. Tips: focus on popular themes like nature, business, and lifestyle. Potential earnings: 25 cents to $100 per photo download. Why it works? Once uploaded, your photos can earn passive income for years. These methods prove you don't need money to start making money online. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe.